Running a business comes with enough challenges. Your IT environment shouldn't be one of them. For over a decade, Sisekela specialists have worked with IT and business leaders to complement existing IT environments, build on IT maturity, and align technology with business goals. Our layered cybersecurity approach protects your data from ransomware, secures your email domains, and keeps you compliant with industry regulations. With 24/7 monitoring and advanced automation, issues are detected and resolved before they disrupt operations, giving you full visibility and control. From IT service management and IoT solutions to business consulting, we design and manage systems that deliver enterprise-grade capability without the enterprise price tag. Whether it's mitigating operational risk, strengthening security, or streamlining processes, we help you move from reactive to proactive, cost-effectively. If you're ready for lower risk, stronger security, and smarter IT, book your no-obligation consultation today.